Hello everyone, welcome to RC Camping and Crawling. Today, I'm on top of a mountain with a microphone. So today I'm going to take out the scrap build, this guy, and just drive it around the rocks. This place is really good. There's lots of good rock outcrops, lots of good lines around here. So I'll get some good footage now. I'm really happy with this build so far. Lots of fun. Although this isn't in one continuous shot, I want to try not to move the truck at all by hand. Get an idea of exactly how this thing's driving, what it's getting stuck on, etc. I don't know how well this is coming across on camera, but this is actually quite steep here. I'm going to try to make it up this line. So far this Injora chassis or chassis and body combo has just been awesome. No problem. This way instead. Combo. The only car I've had make it up this run here was the Ascent Fusion. It went in that line right there. So I'm going to try this line. Considering this is a Land Rover chassis, this body made a world of difference. Now it's so steep here, but it still seems to keep crawling. I did use one hand of God there to pick that up, as they call it, but still it gets pretty good. It was pretty much vertical. Keep hitting my this Treal axle and everything. It's funny, the diamond axle from the Injora is just that much higher, I guess. Look at this thing crawl. It is awesome. It made it up this hill, no problem. I mean, it was definitely technical, it was definitely tricky, but nothing it couldn't handle. I would for sure recommend this LCG chassis by Injora, low center of gravity, that stands for, and the Injora hard body top really brings down the lower center of gravity quite a bit. It just allows everything to move more freely. It makes the truck much more fun to drive. And fairly inexpensive upgrade, all things considered. Definitely worthwhile if you're considering getting it. Pick up from your local hobby shop, or you can use my 5% discount there for Injora. But I love this setup. I'll put the full links to all the parts in the description. This was a ton of fun. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Thanks again so much for watching. Cheers.